How to register or create your account on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. And now you can see there is settings option at the bottom right corner of this section. So let's tap on that settings icon, and now you can see new accounts on in the screen. So just tap on that new account, and you can see there is meta course limited option in here. So just tap on that option. Finally, tap on demo account, and from here you can register your account from here successfully. You need to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, your all credentials, and finally you can adjust your or modify your account information. You can modify your server, account type, leverage, deposit, so on. So finally, once everything's done, let me complete it first. So once everything's done, simply enable the exit, and you can see register option has been enabled. So finally tap on register, and you can see you have already created your account successfully, or you have already done your registration on MP5. So you can see your login ID, your password, and investor. Now ID, you can copy it by tapping on copy to clipboard, and you can just store it in some safe places. So finally tap on start, and your registration has been completed successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to create your account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.